Every structure begins with one question. How much load can the ground carry?
What appears stable above the surface begins in a hidden world below.
Here, loads transfer from concrete into soil. Beneath the foundation, the real resistance begins. But the harder question was, when does the failure mechanism change? Before Terzaghi, the problem was more a failure mechanism than a number. Failure was not a line on paper, but movement within the ground. Then came the major attempt to convert behavior into calculation. Terzaghi did not simplify soil. He made its question calculable.
Bearing capacity became a design language: cohesion, surcharge, and soil weight. Part of the soil resistance develops through cohesion. Another part comes from the surcharge above the foundation. And the weight of the soil itself contributes to bearing capacity.
At that point, bearing capacity became an engineering decision on the design desk. Then the equation moved from paper into construction. But the original model began from an idealized condition.
Inside the ground, resistance does not follow a single path.
The failure mechanism itself can change the entire result. After Terzaghi, the question did not stop. Meyerhof, Hansen, and Vesic expanded bearing capacity theory with corrections for footing shape, depth, load inclination, eccentricity, and ground slope. But even these corrections were not the end. Numerical modeling began simulating failure itself. Deformation once hidden became digitally visible. Yet every model remains a representation, not the complete reality. Then a larger question emerged. The ground itself changes across space. Each sample may reveal a different layer beneath the same project.
Sometimes the excavation reveals what the calculations could not.
The data was not always missing. The relationships within it were hidden. Engineering began searching for patterns within uncertainty. With time, engineering no longer only predicted, it monitored. Above ground, everything appears stable, but beneath foundations, soil continues carrying and redistributing stresses. Terzaghi did not eliminate the uncertainty of soil behavior, but he made bearing capacity calculable.